In the world of discrete manufacturing, the gap between engineering and the shop floor has always been a source of friction. Today, we're looking at how Infor PLM for discrete is closing that gap. We're moving beyond the idea of a simple product vault and stepping into the era of the bidirectional digital thread. It starts with the foundation. By moving to a cloud-native architecture on AWS, Infor has turned PLM from a static document repository into an event-driven lifecycle. You get the scalability and security of the cloud, but more importantly, you're always current. No more painful version upgrades. The glue holding this all together is Infor OS. It provides a unified user experience through single sign-on and a contextual portal. But the real power is in Infor Ion. This is the intelligent open network that allows for real-time triggers. When a change happens in PLM, your LN production data updates automatically. No more handoffs, no errors. And with Infor Document Management, or IDM, connectivity, your drawings and metadata flow seamlessly across the enterprise, making them instantly searchable for everyone. For the engineers, the home base is the engineering business process workbench. Think of this as your single pane of glass for managing items, tasks, and drawings. We've introduced color-coded record indicators, red for draft, green for release, so you never accidentally work on the wrong version. And for those of you in high tech, our new reference designator management also allows you to compare P-bombs and job shop bombs with surgical precision to ensure zero defect assembly. Integration is also deeper than ever. Whether you're using SOLIDWORKS, Creo, CATIA, or NX, our multi-CAD strategy lets you stay in your design environment while the cloud handles the heavy lifting, like background processing for file operations and automatic generation of PDFs and step files upon release. Now let's talk about the biggest game changer, bi-directional communication. PLM is no longer a one-way street. Imagine your engineers having real-time visibility into LN item costing. They can see actual procurement costs and labor rates from the ERP while they are designing. This is true design to cost accuracy. We've also added inventory-aware engineering. The system can now query LN inventory levels to support use-up logic. This means you can exhaust old stock before a new revision cuts in, potentially saving hundreds of thousands of dollars in scrap. And if you're a global enterprise, you can now copy CAD mapping templates across different tenants and companies, ensuring 100% data consistency regardless of how many manufacturing sites you run. We've also revolutionized change management. We're moving away from static approval lists to conditional workflows. The system now uses logic-based branching. For example, if a part cost increases by more than 10%, or if a part is flagged as ITAR sensitive, the workflow automatically routes it to the necessary executive or compliance officer. It's dynamic, it's persona-based, and it eliminates the bottlenecks that happen when people are on vacation. And if a process gets stuck, our new failed task management session lets admins diagnose and reroute tasks without losing the history of the change order. Looking ahead, the value only grows. With Canvas GFX integration, you can automatically generate 3D work instructions directly from your engineering BOM. For those in aerospace and automotive, our digital thread traceability provides a complete who, what, and when audit trail for every single revision. We're also integrating Silicon Expert for component engineering, giving you a library of over 1 billion parts with real-time alerts for obsolescence and RoHS compliance. In the near future, look for Infor AI to begin providing automated product summaries and proactive risk detection in your supply chain. Infor PLM for Discrete isn't just a tool for engineers. It's a strategic asset for the entire business. It reduces TCO, eliminates middleware, and ensures that your as-designed vision matches your as-built reality. If you're ready to review your current bottlenecks and start a value assessment for your cloud migration, reach out to Rockwell Consults today. Thanks for watching.